have you been?
What?
How have you been? How are you?
I'm fit at a fiddle. Thank you. How about you?
Yes, I'm doing great. Thank you so much for asking. Hi. Hello. Hello, Dakshu.
Hello.
How are you?
My name
How are you?
is Jitadua.
How are you, Dakshu?
I'm fine. I am fine.
Okay. What's your name?
My name is. My name is
Hmm? Yes. What's your name? Tell me.
Jitadua.
Dakshita Dua. Okay. How old are you? How old are you?
I am 2 years. 2 years
Hmm.
old. Old.
Okay, you are 2 years old. Hmm. Have you had breakfast? Have you
Yes,
had breakfast?
ma'am. What?
What did you eat for breakfast?
Chapati. Chapati.
Hmm.
And curd. Curd.
Okay, chapati with curd. Very nice. Hmm. So today is Sunday. Do you have any plans?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Where is your younger brother? What is he doing?
Bye, Sony Gupta. Bye, only the bay. Bye, go to Nani house. Bye, go to Nani
Okay,
house.
he went to Nani's house. Okay, where does Nani live?
Sonipat. Sonipat.
Okay, she lives in Sonipat.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, when did he return?
Today. 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 Today.
Today in the evening?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
How old is he?
What?
How old is he?
2 months old. 2 months old.
Full sentence.
He is 2 months old.
Okay, great. Uh,
Mama.
so does he play with you?
Mama.
Does he play with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what does he play? He is too
What?
young. He is too young. Yes.
He smiled. I'm ready.
Sorry?
When we do the action, he smiled.
Sorry, I didn't get you. What is she saying?
When we do different things, he smiled.
Okay. So does he cry or laugh?
Cry.
He cries a lot. Does he cry a
Yes,
lot?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So why does he cry? Hmm?
Yes, ma'am. When he feel hungry. When he hungry,
Okay.
he cries. He cries.
Then he cries. Okay. Hmm. So when he feels hungry, what did you give him?
He drink. He drink
Drink.
milk.
Hmm.
Milk.
Hmm.
What milk to do?
Okay. How does he look? He is cute. He is adorable. How does he look?
He is very cute. We do very cute.
Very
He
cute.
is very cute. It's very cute.
Okay. He is cute like you? Hmm?
It's very cute.
Okay. Do you miss him?
Amen.
Do you miss him?
Amen. Yes,
Hmm.
ma'am. Mom. Speak
Okay.
loudly. Yes, fine. Speak loudly.
Yes. What's his name?
Walking me.
What's his
Lakshit.
name?
Ekta.
No, what's
भाई
his
का नाम
name?
क्या भाई का नाम
What's baby name? Baby name.
लक्षित लक्षित
Dakshit.
दुआ
Dakshit.
दुआ
Dakshit Dua. You are Dakshita Dua. Hmm? You both have similar names.
Then
You both have similar
my
names.
voice.
Okay, what's your sister's name?
Sister, दीदी का नाम तो
Didi name?
Shira Didi.
Okay, her name is Sirat
Shira
Didi.
Dua.
Sirat Dua. So does she slap you? Does she beat you?
दीदी मारती है आपको बताओ?
पिट्टी करती है?
Yes, ma'am.
Does she slap? She doesn't. She doesn't slap you. Okay, she's so kind. Hmm? She's so kind. Okay, what's your mother's name? Mama name?
मम्मा का नेम बताओ ना मैम को. मम्मा नेम. मम्मा नेम. मम्मी का नेम बताओ.
What's your mama's name? Okay, Sirat, tell me, what have you been doing for past few days? Where were you busy?
मम्मा.
Where were you busy?
Ma'am, now school are open, so
Yes.
for school, then play with my brother and go to tuition.
So you don't get time.
No, ma'am.
Okay. So is it off today?
Yes, ma'am. Today is Sunday.
Okay. So what are your plans for the rest of the day?
Ma'am, no.
Full sentence.
Ma'am, there is no plan for today.
Yes. I don't have plan yet. How will you say I don't have plan yet?
I went to park in the morning.
Okay, you went to the park in the morning. Which park?
Mansarovar Park.
Mansarovar.
Yes.
Okay, what did you do there? What did you do there?
When I play,
What?
I played with my sister.
So you have to elaborate on it. What did you do? Like how did you go there? What did you do? How did you come back?
क्या कर दिया?
Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Sirat, you have to elaborate on it. What time did you go there? What time did you come back? What activities did you do there? Did you ride a bicycle?
I don't see time.
Okay, no worries. Yes. Then what did you do there? Tell me. How was the weather?
I played with my sister bat ball. I played bat ball. We played on swings.
So did you ride a bicycle there?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. What game did you play there? Only cricket?
Ma'am, sometime I go to park. Not every Sunday.
Okay. So after coming back home, what did you do?
Ma'am, my mother make pasta.
Yes, made, not make,
My
made.
mother made pasta.
Yes. Then you ate pasta. After that?
Yes.
Then what did you do? Did you take a shower?
What?
What did you do then? After having pasta, what did you do?
Then I see TV.
Sirat, it happened in the past. It already happened. So you have to use second
I
verb.
saw TV.
I watched. Okay, ED.
I watched TV.
Okay. So what did you watch on TV?
Then I went to channel.
Sorry?
Now I see I went to show.
I didn't get you. What did you say?
Ayu and Piyu show.
Okay, show. Okay, you watched a show. Okay, so what was about it?
I'm nothing. It is 24-hour challenge in car.
Okay, yes, that's great game. Then
And sometimes it makes many challenge. Sometimes they make in car.
okay.
Sometimes they make in a room.
Hmm.
Sometimes they make in a jungle.
Okay. It's quite interesting.
Yes, they
Okay.
make many challenge. They
Hmm.
do.
Hmm. Okay. Then what did you do?
And then uh, then I eat one chapati.
Yes. Past. I ate.
Then I ate one chapati.
Hmm. Hmm.
Then I do my class. This one.
Okay. I am having my class. Now I am
I am
having.
having my class.
Yes. And what will you do after the class? What will you do after the class?
It's not. I will play with
I.
my sister.
Okay. Will you go to your nanny's house?
And sometime.
Okay. And tell me something more about your younger brother. How does he look? What activities does he do?
When
Does he
he
cry?
cry very much.
He cries a lot.
Yes.
Yes. He's too young, right? Whenever he sees
Yes.
something, he will cry because he cannot speak, right? Hmm. What's his name? Dakshit?
मैम मैम now we मैम अभी name नहीं रखा.
Okay. So, like, what do you call him?
Duck, Babu, Nannu, anything.
Okay. Great.
It's not fixed.
Okay. So, can you describe him? How does he look? वह कैसा दिखता है? आप मुझे describe कर सकते हो?
He looks like my tattoo.
Okay.
His father.
Okay. He looks like his
He
father.
looks
Yes.
like his father.
And what about his eyes?
I'm old like father.
You are not visible, Sirat. Yes. He has
I'm
big
old
eyes or small
like
eyes?
his father.
Yes. No, you have to describe. He has two big eyes. He has two small eyes. He has a
He has
cute
very
nose.
small eyes.
Small eyes.
He has he is very soft.
He is very.
Like a teddy.
Okay. Yes.
And he is very small.
Hmm. Hmm. Yes.
Small. Small from teddy also.
Okay. He has chubby cheeks.
Yes, he has chubby cheeks, dimple chin.
Yes. He is adorable. I love to cuddle him. I love to cuddle him. Cuddle means I love to hug him.
I love to put it on my leg. Put him on my leg.
Lap. Okay. Lap. Okay. So tell me spelling of chubby.
Chubby. CHUBBY.
CHU.
Double BY.
Very good. Chubby. Cuddle.
Cuddle? What is cuddle?
Cuddle means hug. HUG hug. I love to cuddle him. गले लगाना.
Cuddle.
I love to cuddle.
CUDDER.
Yes. Tell me spelling of cuddle.
CUDDER.
No. CUDDLE. Cuddle.
LE. Cuddle.
Yes.
Oh. Cuddle.
So when will he come back?
Today in evening or afternoon.
Full sentence.
Today he will come on evening
He
or
will come
at
back.
evening.
He
In
will come
evening
back
or
in
afternoon.
the afternoon or evening. He will come back in the afternoon or
In
evening.
afternoon or evening.
Okay. So are you missing him?
Yes, ma'am.
So that's why you missed your classes, right? Hmm? So how's your school going? Tell me.
Ma'am, well,
Hmm?
my school is going well.
Well, so tell me something special. Yeah, what are you learning these days?
What? Please repeat again.
So tell me something more about your schools. Like how are the teachers? Are they very strict or polite? Like when you speak too much, do they scold you?
Ma'am, mix.
Not mixed. You have to elaborate on it. You have to explain me.
They are polite also and
Hmm.
strict also.
Okay. Sometimes they are strict, sometimes they polite. Depends on the
Yes.
circumstances. Okay, I am giving you a hypothetical situation. Hypothetical situation means it's not real. Okay, it's not real. We are just assuming it. It's based on the assumptions. Okay, if you are the monitor of your class, how will you handle all the students? If they are making lots of noise, how will you make them quiet? Hmm? What will you do? Whatever comes to your mind, you have to answer it. Okay, no problem.
And I will tell teacher then
No,
they are
teacher
not
is
quiet.
not
They are
there.
disturbing each other.
If teacher is not in the classroom, then how will you manage all the students?
So,
Yes, what punishment will you give them?
I will say
Hmm?
come come front of the all children.
Hmm? Hmm? Raise your hands, please stand up, raise your hands, and
Raise your boys. Ma'am, for boys, come front and raise your hand,
hmm?
and girls only stand up.
Okay, why there is a discrimination between boys and girls?
Ma'am, because girls do not talk very much in our class. Boys talk.
So if they don't talk too much, so why are you giving them punishment?
And they talk
No.
means boys boys fight with each other,
Okay. Hmm.
but girls only talk.
Okay. Okay, if boys are suppose the boys are fighting and you have told them raise your hands, still they are speaking and fighting, then what will you do?
And I will write name on my notebook, and when ma'am come, I will give to ma'am.
Okay, you will give their names to the teacher.
And ma'am give their fine.
Okay. Hmm. So how
Ma'am
much?
tell to take fine.
Okay, how much do they charge?
Ma'am two.
2 rupees.
Yes.
Okay. Hmm.
Shoes also two.
Hmm.
If if we go to canteen
Hmm.
without canteen day,
Hmm. Okay. So do you have a canteen in your
so
school?
it is also fine.
Okay. So do you have a canteen in your school?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what do they usually offer?
Ma'am, chowmin,
Okay, chowmin.
patties,
Hmm.
chips, marlin, chocolate,
Okay.
and pastry.
Okay.
Ma'am, pastry, but if we will, we will buy,
Hmm.
we will say, then we need pastry on Wednesday. It will be give
Hmm.
on a Thursday
Okay.
because they make by their own.
Okay. So you will get the cake on Wednesday, right? Pastries cake.
Yes, even if I will say on Tuesday, it will give on Wednesday.
Okay. First you have to pay, then you will get it.
Ma'am, ma'am, everything on that day, but only pastry because they make pastry.
Okay, great.
Oh, canteen days only 2 days in 1 week. Wednesday and Saturday.
Okay, Wednesday and Saturday, is it closed or open?
Open in lunch time.
During lunchtime.
Yes.
During lunchtime.
Or in fourth period.
Okay, great. That's
Yes.
nice. So, how often do you go to the canteen? How
Means
often do you go to the canteen? Like, आप कैंटीन कैसे जाते हो? Like once a week, twice a week, or you don't go to the canteen?
ma'am, I go in 1 month, 1 or 2 days.
Okay, once a month. Okay,
Once a month. Ma'am, 1 or 2 times in 1 month.
okay, once or twice. Two means twice. Three means thrice.
Thrice.
Twice, two times. Thrice, three times. Okay.
And sometimes once and sometimes twice.
Okay. If someone asks you how often do you eat pizza, how often? Often means you have to tell the duration, like two times, three times, four times. Okay. How often do you eat pizza? Tell me.
And pizza I eat in 6 months, 1 or 2.
Once in a while, occasionally. You can say
Yes, once in a while. Once in a year.
okay. Once.
Once or twice.
Okay, yes. Occasionally, you can say I do eat occasionally, once in a while. Whenever I feel like eating, then I eat. But I don't eat often.
Once or twice in a year.
Okay, that's great. We should not eat junk food. It's not good for our health. So, are you health
Then
conscious?
I eat chips every day.
Okay. No.
I love chips and chocolate.
We should not eat chips and chocolate very often.
Ma'am, but I eat healthy food also.
Yes.
Now I drank when I ate roti chapati. I have drink lassi.
I drink
I drink lassi.
a glass of lassi. Okay, that's great.
Yes. And in one day I drink 2 or 3 glasses of milk.
Okay, very good. That's great. So, do you like simple milk or flavored milk? Do you add like some Bonvita or caramel something? Do you add in it?
Sometimes I drink simple and sometimes chocos or sometimes ruafza.
Okay.
Now I don't like normal milk. I like ruafza milk.
Okay.
I don't like oat milk.
Okay. Great, great. Okay, so let's talk about story. Do you remember Lion and the Mouse?
Yes.
Okay, so
I don't know. I know, but
I don't. Okay.
I forgot.
Yes, I forgot. I'm not able to recall at the moment. How can you say?
I don't know to recall at the moment.
Yes, you can say I don't remember. I am not able to recall. I am not able to recall.
Not able to recall
At
now.
the moment, yes. Okay.
At this moment.
So I'll ask.
And today you will also show picture.
Okay, and let's. Okay, so we are going to play a game called Know or Don't Know. If you know something, you have to answer it I know and explain it. If you don't know, you can simply say I don't know. Okay? So, do you know where the school is? Where your school is?
I know.
Okay, you know the way to reach the school?
Yes.
Okay, tell me.
Ma'am, I know small wing, but where I go, I don't know.
Yes, we don't say small or big. We say junior wing or senior wing.
Ma'am, junior means small, na?
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, I know junior wing. There are two junior wings, very small, very junior, and junior. I know junior. I don't know senior or very junior.
Okay, so can you tell me the way to reach the school? How can we get there?
Ma'am, when I come out from my house, I go left side
No,
on the
first of all,
corner
no.
of
How
our
will you
street.
say? First of all, take a left turn, straight, then
First
right
of all,
turn.
take a left turn and come to the corner of the my street.
Okay. Okay, then go straight. Yes.
Then I go right.
Then take a right turn.
Then take a right turn.
After that,
Then there are two. There are two rasta.
two ways. We don't say
Two
rasta,
two
ways.
ways.
Can you tell me spelling of ways?
WAYS.
Very good. Yes.
There are two ways. One way is we can go straight, then move left, then straight, then right, then the school will come.
Okay. Then you can see the school. Okay, that's great.
Yes. So man means it is 2 or 5 minutes.
Okay, it is very close to my house. How will you say? It is close
Yes,
to my
it
house.
is very close. If I will go on Activa, it will be 2 minutes. If I will
It
go,
takes 2 minutes. How will you say?
it takes 2 minutes. If I will go on cycle or normally paddle,
I go on
so it
foot.
will take.
No,
So
not
or go
paddle.
on foot,
Serious.
it will take 5 or 10 minutes.
Okay. Sorry to interrupt you. When I go on foot, then it takes 5 minutes. I go on foot. Okay.
That means I like you. You will ask question and I will tell no, no, no.
No. You have to explain it. Okay. How will you
Explain it.
how will you answer me? If I go on foot. आपने क्या बोला? पैदल जाना. No, it's wrong. I go on foot.
If I will go on foot, it will take 2 minutes.
Okay. If I
That
go.
means you will ask question. First I will take don't know or no, and then I will explain.
Yes. Okay. Do you know what day it is today?
I know. Today is Sunday.
Very good.
13 July.
Do you know what is the capital of Haryana?
Delhi.
No.
Chandigarh.
Yes.
Chandigarh.
And what is the capital of
Delhi is
Punjab?
capital of India.
Yes. Good.
Punjab also Chandigarh. Haryana and Punjab Chandigarh.
Yes, same capital. Do you know what is the capital of Uttarakhand?
Dehradun.
Good. Do you know what sound a cat make?
Meow.
Yes. Okay, well done. So tell me your favorite place. Which place do you like the most? Which place do you like the most?
City, state.
Sorry?
City or state? What?
Anyone. Whatever you like.
My bua of Faridabad.
Your boy has come?
No, I like my bua of Faridabad.
Okay, so I like Faridabad. How will you say?
I like Faridabad.
Okay. So when did you go to Faridabad?
It is not fixed.
Yes, when did you go to Faridabad? आप Faridabad कब गए थे?
In May.
Full sentence.
No, May, March.
Full sentence.
I went to Faridabad in March.
In the month of March.
In the month of March.
Yes. So did you explore Faridabad?
I forgot. On March or May.
In March or in May, not on.
In March or in May.
Okay, no worries. How can you say I'm not able to recall it properly? Exact. I'm not able to recall the exact month. Right? I am not able to
I am not able to recall the
exact month.
exact month.
Okay? Yes. So do you remember tongue twister? Wee Willy Winky? Wee Willy Winky?
Winky, Winky.
Wee Willy Winky?
Wee Willy Winky.
Went walking
Lad walking
in the wet woods.
in the wet food.
In the
Wee Willy Winky went walking in the wet food.
very good. Wee Willy Winky. Yes. Come again.
Wee Willy Winky went walking in the wet food.
Very nice. And other one is ice cream. You scream. We all scream for ice cream. Ice cream.
Ice cream.
Ice cream. You scream.
Ice cream, you scream.
We all scream for ice cream.
We all ice cream.
We all scream for ice cream.
We all scream for ice cream.
Yes. Ice cream. You scream. We all scream for ice cream.
Ice cream, you scream. We all scream for ice cream.
Very good.
When Dakshita is also screaming for
Yes.
ice cream.
Yeah. Okay, lovely talking to you. Bye bye.